Is your Galaxy S25 Ultra converting your handwriting into text too quickly or maybe too slowly? That's because of the recognition time setting. It decides how long the phone waits before changing your handwriting into text. Here's how to adjust it. Open your keyboard setting. You can do so by opening an app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap handwriting. Next, tap recognition time. Choose from 0.1 second, 0.3 second, it's the default, 0.5 second, 1 second, or 2 seconds. For example, if you are taking quick notes in a meeting, you can set it to 0.1 second so your words are recognized almost instantly. But if you are writing slowly, like practicing characters or pausing between words, try 1 second or 2 seconds so the text won't appear too early. Pick the timing that matches your writing style and handwriting to text will feel much smoother. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.